Did you know that Arjun was once killed by his own son, but eventually came back to life? There are multiple such stories in Mahabharata that often go unnoticed, but it's a complete tragic to miss these esteemed stories. Therefore, join me in this series, The Hidden Mysteries of Mahabharata, where I can enlighten you with each stories of this legendary epic in under 5 minutes. Welcome to Episode 7, Part 2. Arjun's Deaths. Before I continue with the story, I would highly recommend you to watch the Part 1 of this episode to understand the entire context of the story. I've added the link to Episode 7 Part 1 in the description below. Please check it out. The second story of Arjun's death involves Babruvahan, the son of Arjun and Chitrangada, the princess of Manipur. Arjun left Chitrangada and Babruvahan at Manipur so that Babruvahan could ascend to the throne later. Both Babruvahan and his mother started living with Ulupi, Arjun's snake wife. Ulupi was also a teacher of Babruvahan. During the battle of Kurukshetra, on the 10th day, Arjun put Shikhandi in front of him and attacked Bhishma. Arjun struck Bhishma multiple times and later Pitama fell struck by hundreds of arrows. The battle stopped to pay respects to the Bhishma. Even the gods gathered in the skies to shower flowers on the fallen hero. Among the gods were the 7 Vasus, the brothers of Bhishma. They were angry by the unfairness and went to their mother Ganga and said that Arjun must be punished, let him be killed by his own son. Ganga said, "So be it." Ulupi, one of Arjun's wife, was present and she was distraught. She denounced the curse and said that much more heinous crimes had been committed before and during the war. She pledged that she would revive her husband when the time comes. Long after the battle of Kurukshetra, Yudhishthir decides to conduct the Ashwamedh Yagya. The Yag horse enters the dominion of Manipur. Arjun thought that this was the country where his son Babruvahan ruled and hoped that he would come out and fight like a warrior. But Babruvahan came out in order to welcome his father. Arjun told Babruvahan that his behavior was not in accordance with the Kshatriya tradition and that he must fight. This took Babruvahan aghast. How could he fight his own father? But Ulupi came to him and said that it was his duty to do so. The battle began. Arjun fought hard, but he could not defeat Babruvahan. The Vasu's curse ordained death to Arjun from his son. All other sons of Arjun had died during the war. So Arjun could not seriously wound Babruvahan, but nonetheless hurting him terribly. Babruvahan started getting angrier. Using a weapon learned from Ulupi, he shot an arrow straight at Arjun. Arjun fell down dead. Babruvahan realized what he had done. He too fell unconscious out of grief. Meanwhile, Chitrangada learned the news of battle and rushed in. There she saw her husband dead at one end and her own son unconscious at the other. Ulupi was standing aside looking grim at the scene. Chitrangada rushed to Ulupi. She knew that Ulupi has magical powers. She reminded Ulupi's love for Arjun and begged her to save him. But Ulupi remained unmoved. So Chitrangada declared that she, her sister, will also end her life at the side of her husband. Then Ulupi by her boon, restored Arjun's life.